Hello, this is MagicMiner YouTube channel. Today share MagicMiner home miner. Do you want to start mining Bitcoin at home? Meet the home miner MagicMiner BG01. This beginner-friendly SHA 256 ASIC miner delivers 4.5 terahashes per second hash rate at just 120 W power consumption. It operates quietly under 40 decibels, perfect for your living room or office without any disturbance. Setting up is as easy as installing a graphics card. You can plug it directly into a desktop PC case or running independently with a standard PC power supply. With Wi-Fi support, it's surely plug and play. You can start mining in just minutes. Whether you are a complete beginner or an experienced miner looking for a quiet home solution, the MagicMiner BG01 offers an efficient and stable way to join the digital asset economy. Thank you for watching and welcome subscribe our MagicMiner YouTube channel. If you have any question, just leave in comment.